Hello people, this is Moscarblog and you are currently joining me in the best electric car ever. This is the Porsche Taycan 4S. It has 571 horsepower on overboost. Regularly you have 530 horsepower. And it has 640 Newton meters of torque, but it feels way faster. And in today's night drive I will showcase it to you. So let's turn on the beautiful electric sound Porsche has made, the sound management. Listen to this. Sounds phenomenal. Let's do a launch control start. Oh, it's so fast! This car is absolutely crazy. It even makes a downshift noise at like 80 kilometers. Listen to it. Oh, it didn't make it this time. I will do a review and an Autobahn POV of this car in the next couple of videos, so subscribe for that to not miss out. I will do a full review of the car, I will showcase it, I will do more POV driving, and I will take it on the Autobahn for a VMAX run. Let's see what this car is capable of. I will also tell you in these reviews why this is the best electric car ever made. I don't like the electric cars. I'm not a fan. I'm a huge petrol head, but this one really got me. And this isn't even the Turbo S. So you can imagine how crazy the Turbo S actually is. It's got like 200 horsepower more than this and 300 Newton meters more. It's absolutely menacing. You probably heard me before saying that the car sometimes sounds like it's downshifting. This is because this car has a 2-gear gearbox. This hasn't only got 1 gear like the normal electric cars. This has 2 gears. And it's got a proper cooling system by Porsche. This battery never overheats. You can do launch control after launch control after launch control. Not like with the other electric cars. It's really, I'm speechless. Like, this car is really making so much sense. It's so nice. Okay, for the rest of this video I will now be quiet and let you enjoy this night drive and this beautiful electric sound. So people, I will now end this night drive POV with a last little launch control. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I will see you in the next one. Subscribe to see the other videos of this Taycan on the Autobahn and the review and maybe a sound video. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Goodbye.